Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Super stoked to have you here. Today, we are taking you behind the scenes on my last trip to LA, where we went to DDE HQ, we went to HOPPO'S Hydraulics, and we even went to MK Customs and looked at all their beautiful chrome. So why don't you come along and see what we did. That's right guys, we are back at the DDE HQ. Turns out the new store is open for business. We're gonna go inside, check it out, grab some gear, and say hi. Because last time we were here, if you remember, we were doing burnouts right there where that car's parked in the 70s Charger with a 671. We're gonna refresh your memory, so show that clip. Let's go inside. Oh, hello, sir.
How are ya?
Good, how are you? We're from Alberta.
Oh, no way, what are you doing down here?
Picking up. Last time we were here, we brought a 671 70s Charger, and an MK4 done up like Paul Walker's, and did burnouts right there.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
We're in Alberta.
Calgary.
That's where I was born.
Yeah, we have a shop on Burley Crescent right by the motocross track. Yeah.
Are you a cop? Why are you done with that? So you're a cop?
You're in YouTube stuff.
You sound like a cop.
Well, just in case, I'm on film too, so.
Catch your breath now.
Right? Out of breath. Canadian, too hot, out of shape.
How old are you?
34.
You sure?
Yeah, feel older.
I was born in I'm from Olds.
Oh, really?
That's where I was raised.
The colleges.
Yeah.
We have an Audi A6 supercar. I got a Serrata.
Yeah, check that out. That was last time we were here.
Oh, that's sick.
Yeah, that was last time we were here. So we went.
I've heard of this before.
Yeah, we did a 4-car giveaway just recently.
You guys were in jail for that whole thing.
We don't talk about that. True. I probably shouldn't do that in LA. That was too easy for him to grab.
He's gonna shoot you.
Oh, right on. Oh, you go inside, check some stuff out. I'll leave the car. Hopefully somebody else doesn't take it. We are still in California, so when in California, we're gonna go visit our friends at HOPPO'S. Good morning, Tim.
Let's go.
Nice to meet you. This is incredible. This is all of this. I've never built a lowrider before, but we're building our first one right now.
It's dangerous because the passenger side goes down and the three wheels up in the front.
Well, that's what you're supposed to do. Just tell them it's working. What are you complaining about? This showroom is things dreams are made of. Absolutely incredible. Thank you so much for your time, man. It was a pleasure. Have a great day. That is a tour of HOPPO'S. They are a one-stop shop facility. The only thing they don't do in-house is chrome it. Whatever it needs, the machining, custom stuff, your own logo brought into it. They've got the machines. It's absolutely insane in there. We bought some stuff for our Impala, take it to that little bit of a next level, as well as represent the HOPPO'S brand. And I got a HOPPO'S swag pack. We got some parts in there. We got some shirts, stickers, keychains. We're gonna be representing properly when we get to the shows. Next stop, we're gonna go over to MK Customs. We're gonna pick up the chroming stuff for the 64, bumper to bumper. It's triple chromed. It's gonna make it pop. It's gonna take that car to the top level. So come along for the ride. Let's get over to MK Customs. It's 32 degrees Celsius. I don't know that's in Fahrenheit. What I do know, it is too hot for this Canadian. We're at MK Garage, the chroming specialist, where we're picking up some triple chrome stuff for the 64 lowrider. Let's take you inside. Man, that's beautiful. Look at all the chrome. So are these customer cars or?
Yeah, well, some are customers, some are ours.
Wow, 2 Impalas there.
Yeah.
I love that purple.
Yeah. Well, it changes colors. It's actually called Caribbean.
Okay.
The car chain is one of those chameleon colors. It's purple, gold, blue, like a.
Yeah, because I over here I thought it was blue.
On the floor in the sun, it's flopped real hard, like
this is incredible.
solid color.
Wow, 60.
Yeah, 60 convertible, 60 convertible. This got done here, this bodywork got done here for this one.
We're a year and a half in body. We bought 3 cars to fix that thing. Yeah. Damn. I'm not gonna lie, that blue top's a little different, isn't it?
Yeah. That was the owner's idea. It's gonna have blue interior, blue top, blue hydraulics and batteries.
Wow. Beautiful.
Yeah, 59 hard top, 61 convertible. This is her 64 right here.
So this is a solid chrome bumper. I like that. That's beautiful.
That's all the chrome. You got the same exact chrome.
We're not painting that. That looks too good. Damn. The louvers in the back too, hey? Wow.
Those are Sanko blinds. If you find them, save them.
Really?
They retail, they used to be $300, they're $4,000.
Oh, wow. So do you find many guys want to LS swap this old stuff now?
Actually, a lot of cars are LS swapping now.
That's where a lot of ours are. I bought 5 LSs now.
I tripped out how much this LS stuff is big now compared to before. It's cheap horsepower if you ask me, because
and it's easy.
You're gonna spend 20-something thousand dressing up doing this, and the LS the guy has the same fucking thing. It's the same.
$5,000.
Yep.
I love. We're contemplating on the 64 if we try to find glass or get glass cut.
It's actually mirror image classics. The dudes are in Santa Fe Spring. They'll ship out to you.
Okay. And it's kits ready to go.
Kits ready to go, cut ready to go. You don't have to do no. The only thing that I tell people is when you put it, they have you use a glue, which is fine. You can use your own glue or whatever. But the thing is, get a heat gun, because what happens is it's straight plastic. So what a lot of people don't know is that they'll sit there and push it and hold it and put stuff on it. So what happens is it either breaks or in a certain temperature it pops because it never took shape. So you got to sit there and put a little heater on it or whatever just so it's shaped while it's drying. That's the main catch to that. But other than
that interior is beautiful color though. Like this sides coloring here. This is really nice.
Yeah, this is 59 and 60 copper with 64 inserts.
Okay. I like that intake. Just clean.
Yeah, simple.
We're running the same valve covers. We put sheet metal intakes on them though.
Yeah.
And then
like the Pytex style.
Yeah, we have a company up there called Performance World. It's a copy of the Holly, but it's like $400.
Oh shit.
If you need them, let me know. I'll send them to you.
It's the same thing.
It is. It's honestly.
Yeah.
Wow.
And then this is for a 61 convertible. This actually belongs to DJ Mustard. I'm pretty sure you know who that guy is.
Oh wow. You know, I usually would have said like I like that actually. Seeing the welds.
The welds, yeah. Some people do it. Some people we do it smooth. Whatever.
We smoothed ours, but that can be an art.
People's work is not as good as like this. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes. I'm sorry. Yes, we'll put it on.
Man, this is beautiful. Let's go, guys.
What's up, Paul?
Man, I gotta pick my jaw off the ground here. Damn. We're building my first lowrider up in Canada right now.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
What kind of car?
64 Impala hardtop. We got in gold, and then we ran a 4-pump competition setup from HOPPO'S.
Right.
And then just because we're learning, like we wanted to build it so we could learn and expand into it.
Right.
So we're only going to be running about 48 volts to the front and about 36 to the back. We're not looking to get crazy just yet.
Right.
Oh, it's beautiful work.
That's going to do it for this week's behind the scenes episode of my trip to LA. Just want to say thank you to each and every one of you for helping us grow this channel and make it what it's going to become. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can keep bringing this awesome content to you.